Good evening, Tennessee. This is John Simpson with Roof MD. I'm sitting cowboy style on 12 and 12 pitch here on a beautiful home here in McMinnville. It's got a driftwood shingle on it, probably about 13 years old. Got degranulation and fiberglass showing on the south facing slopes. We've got heavy algae buildup along the north facing slopes, and we're actually north is this way and south is this way. It's a little bit diagonal on this one, but the ridge here, you can see the degranulation on the south facing slope. You see the fiberglass starting to show through. This is actually one of the better portions of this roof. The owner of this roof wants to get ahead of the pricing situations and the inflation and just go ahead and take care of this as a re-roof situation. He would like to wait until the spring. So I'm going to advise him, since there's no leaks, we're fine to wait for the spring. He could probably wait another 2 years and still be safe in some situations where you're able to, and you want to get ahead of the inflation. It's nice and it's wise to go ahead and re-roof. This has been John Simpson with Roof MD here in McMinnville, Tennessee on a 12 and 12 pitch.